Imagine meeting someone you haven't seen in 20 years. You don't remember their name. You don't remember their voice. You don't even remember where you met them. But the moment you see their face, something inside your brain says, "I know you." How? Could your eyes remember people your conscious mind has completely forgotten? And if that's true, what else are your eyes secretly remembering? Think about the last time you saw someone you loved. Maybe it was a friend from school, a family member, or someone you haven't seen in years.
You may believe that memory is stored like a video inside your brain, but human memory doesn't work like a video recorder. Your brain constantly changes, rebuilds, and sometimes even loses memories. Yet there is something strange about recognition. You can see a familiar face for just a moment, and suddenly you feel something: comfort, fear, happiness, sadness, before you can even explain why. But here's where the mystery gets deeper. What if your brain can recognize a face before your conscious mind realizes it? Imagine a man named Daniel.
One afternoon, Daniel walks through a busy train station. Hundreds of people are moving around him. Then, he sees an old woman standing near a coffee shop. He doesn't know her. At least, that's what he thinks. He walks past her, then suddenly stops. His heart feels strangely heavy. He turns around. Something about her face feels familiar, but he cannot remember her. The woman looks at him and smiles. Then she says, "Daniel?" He freezes. He knows that voice. She was his elementary school teacher.
Daniel had not seen her for more than 30 years. He had forgotten her name. He had forgotten her classroom. He had forgotten almost everything. But somehow, his brain recognized her before his conscious memory did. So what was happening? Science gives us a fascinating clue. When you look at a face, your brain doesn't simply see it. Your visual system breaks the face into different features: shape, eyes, nose, mouth, movement, and patterns. Your brain then compares those signals with information stored from previous experiences. This happens incredibly fast.
And sometimes recognition can happen before you consciously remember the person. That means your brain may send a signal like "familiar" before your conscious mind can answer "why." But wait, if your conscious memory forgot someone, how can your brain still recognize them? Because memory isn't just one system. Your brain has different kinds of memory. Some memories are conscious. You can deliberately remember your childhood home. But other forms of memory can influence your behavior without you consciously remembering the original experience. This is one reason a song, smell, place, or face can suddenly trigger a powerful feeling.
You may not remember the event, but your brain may still react to something connected to it. And here comes the truly fascinating part. Have you ever met someone for the first time and immediately felt like you trusted them? Or felt uncomfortable around someone without knowing why? Your brain may be processing tiny visual and emotional signals that your conscious mind hasn't fully noticed. Facial expressions, eye movements, body language, familiar patterns. Your conscious mind says, "I don't know this person," but your deeper brain may be saying, "Something about this person feels familiar." Of course, this doesn't mean your first impression is always correct. Your brain can make mistakes. It can confuse faces, create false memories, and connect unrelated experiences. But that makes the mystery even more interesting, because your eyes are not simply windows showing you the world. They are constantly feeding information into a brain that is searching through a lifetime of experiences. And sometimes you recognize something before you understand it. Think about that. A face appears in front of you for only a few seconds. You don't know the person.
You don't remember meeting them, yet something inside you reacts. Maybe that reaction is not a magical sixth sense. Maybe it is your brain doing what it has always done, searching through the invisible library of your past. And perhaps that is why some memories feel lost, but never completely disappear. Because forgetting something consciously doesn't always mean your brain has erased every trace of it. Maybe somewhere deep inside your mind, a tiny piece of that moment is still waiting for the right face, the right voice, the right place, the right smell.
The right moment to come back. So the next time you see someone and suddenly think, I've seen this person before, pause for a second. Maybe you really have. Maybe your conscious mind forgot, but somewhere inside your brain, your memory remembered. And that raises one final question. If your brain can recognize people you consciously forgot, how many other memories are hiding inside you right now? If this idea made you look at your own memories differently, subscribe to Hidden Dock, because here we explore the hidden science behind ordinary things, the mysteries happening inside your mind, and the secrets you never knew were there. And remember, sometimes you don't forget the past, you simply forget that you remember. See you in the next video. Till then, thanks guys.